Hello and welcome to my 10th card trick tutorial. Sorry I've not been uploading for a while. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you quite a hard card trick. It involves the use of an Elmsley Count. So as I'll be referring to the Elmsley Count quite a lot in the video, I'm just going to show you just quickly how you can perform the Elmsley Count. So you want to remove the jokers first. So I'm going to just take 4 cards. And I'm going to turn this third card face down, so that when I do that you can see the third card in the third position. So you can see the card is still there, and all the Elmsley Count does is it shows you there is no face down card. But actually, in reality, if I spread the cards out, all it has done is it has moved position. How do I do this? Well, you need to have the card in the third position to make this work. It's absolutely vital. You want to pinch grip the cards with your dominant hand, peel off the first card, and as you're taking this card away, you want to just feel out 2 other cards. So as you're putting this one back in, you're slotting it back in, and you're taking that out. And in doing so, you're just exposing the edge of that face-up card, so that they can still see there's 2 cards there. Then you just take the other 2 cards, and then you show your cards and say, but there it is. So this Elmsley Count is very useful for the card trick. For the card trick, you will need to find the 4 aces and the 4 kings. The position of the cards is also vital, seeing as you need the card in the third position. So you want to do a king, then an ace, then a king. And then the same arrangement but with the opposite cards, an ace, a king, and then an ace. Now the card trick is ready. You put these cards on the top of the deck. If they want to shuffle the cards, you shuffle it for them. Just make sure that those top cards stay in the right position. Then you say, I'm going to deal the top 8 cards in 2 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to move the rest of the deck to the side. Now in itself, I've just produced a piece of magic, because in this pile, as I will show you, I have 4 kings. Now as the ace is in the third position, you'll need to perform an Elmsley Count. So what you want to do is Elmsley Count 1, 2, 3, 4 kings, and in this pile I have 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. Now remember, this has moved that odd card out into the last position, so just to even it up and show you there's no king, there's no ace, and just to show you there's no king in this pile. Now you're going to put the piles face down again and deal the cards. So you deal the first card, which is the right card. The second card you want to deal near you, because this is the odd card out. Then the other 2 can go in the other positions. Then you say, so those were all the aces, and now I'm going to deal all the kings. Now remember, this is a king and this is a king, so what you want to do is you want to place a king with the king, then an ace with the ace, then 2 kings there. So they're thinking all of them are ace, king, ace, king, ace, king, ace, king. So you show them the first 2 piles, which are far away from you, and you show them there's king, ace, like it should be. And you turn those 2 piles face down again. Then you say, but just by doing a wee wave of the hand, there's 2 aces and there's 2 kings. Now you turn all of the piles face up, just to show. And then it's very important, because these 2 piles, there's going to be 1 odd card out and 3 aces. So again, while you're doing this, you seem to be putting the cards in a random order, but you can put in the odd card out in the third position, just to perform the Elmsley Count. Same here, you want the ace in the third position. Then again you show, so you say that each pile has 1 card out, but just with wave of the hand, I have in this pile 1, 2, 3, 4 aces, And just to show you, 4 aces, so that the card moves into the 3rd position dodge card. And over here I have I have 1, 2, 3, 4 kings, and just to show you, all of the cards are kings. Again, that last move moves the card into the 3rd position. That's kind of the first part of the trick. This is the second part, and you can do this in any order because both of them are basically using the Elmsley Count. You're first of all obviously showing them that all the cards are in the right order. Then you're going to take 1 king out of the pile and leave the other 2 kings and ace as you know what they are over there. So they're thinking this is 4 kings, and over here 4 aces. Then you say, if I switch these 2 cards, automatically 2 cards have switched from here. And funnily enough, they've both switched from the same position, because in this pile the second card has switched, and it's switched to the second card. In this pile, then you're going to take this ace, move that king into the 3rd position, and take this king, move that ace into the 3rd position, even up the 2 piles, just kind of shake them or rub them, and then show them to end the trick with an Elmsley Count that in this pile they have returned the 4 kings, and in this pile you have 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. So that's the end of the trick. It's quite a hard trick, firstly because of the Elmsley Counts, but secondly because the shuffling needs to be intricate to leave those 8 cards in the same position, or else this trick cannot work. You don't need to do this with kings and aces, you can do it with any type of card. So anyway, that's the trick, and thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.